film in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is our cake. It's really we think that we did a really good job because when we took it out of the pans, it crumbled into like a million pieces. So we just kind of like picked it up with our hands and smushed it all together on the pan. It looks so good.
Yeah, exactly. This is what cake should look like.
And there's our icing. Oops, the little strings in the way. Funny. Okay, so this is the other joke biffle. She's scraping this. I'm sorry guys we haven't made so many vlogs lately. We've just been so like sick.
Yeah.
I thought this cake would make us feel better. Does it look really good? Comment down below on how you think this cake looks, and also comment down below if you want a recipe, and comment down below if you want to know how we did this, because it was really not that hard. I'm sure you guys could even do it. Right, joke biffle? Right?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, this cake is definitely one of our best creations.
You guys should have seen our cookies. The whole world liked them. This? We forgot the sugar, so.
And we just used brown dye instead of cocoa powder because we ran out. We thought that would probably make
So we tasted it. It's good. So if you guys want a recipe, just please comment down below. Bye!